Have you ever wondered why the humble sweet potato is often called one of the healthiest foods for seniors? It might seem like just another vegetable, but hidden beneath its colorful skin lies a treasure chest of nutrients that can transform your health, boost your vitality, and even add quality years to your life. Despite their growing popularity, many people still don't realize how much these sweet, satisfying roots can benefit their aging bodies. Did you know that sweet potatoes are packed with powerful antioxidants that protect your cells? Or that they contain nutrients that can regulate your blood sugar naturally, strengthen your bones, and even sharpen your brain as you age? What exactly happens when seniors start including more sweet potatoes in their daily diet? How do they affect your heart, eyes, joints, digestion, and overall energy levels? Are you making the common mistakes that might limit how much benefit you get from this natural wonder? In this video, we're revealing the 10 incredible health benefits of eating sweet potatoes regularly, especially for seniors. We'll also share tips on how to prepare them the right way to maximize their healing potential, plus important facts you need to know. Trust us, you won't want to miss this. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Before we dive into the sweet potato magic, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more natural health advice that helps you live your best, strongest life. Also, let us know in the comments, have you already been enjoying sweet potatoes? How do you like to cook them? We would love to hear your delicious ideas. Let's get started. Eating sweet potatoes offers something rare, a combination of delicious flavor and life-extending nutrition. First, sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, an antioxidant pigment that the body converts into vitamin A. Beta-carotene acts like armor against the slow march of aging, shielding your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that bombard your body every day, from pollution, from stress, even just from normal metabolism. Over time, they cause oxidative stress, which leads to wrinkles, weakened immunity, joint pain, and even serious diseases. But beta-carotene steps in like a bodyguard, neutralizing those threats before they can harm you. According to research published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition, higher intake of beta-carotene is associated with reduced risks of cognitive decline, macular degeneration, and chronic diseases in seniors. It's simple. More sweet potatoes, less cellular damage, more vitality. And speaking of vision, let's talk about your eyes. One of the hardest things about aging is the slow dimming of our sight. Those once sharp images now fading, those once clear pages now blurred. But sweet potatoes can come to the rescue. Thanks to their incredibly high vitamin A content, sweet potatoes nourish the delicate tissues of your eyes. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining the health of the retina, the part of the eye that detects light and sends signals to your brain. Deficiency in vitamin A can lead to night blindness and a higher risk of macular degeneration. A major study published in Ophthalmology found that seniors with higher vitamin A levels had a 40% lower risk of age-related vision loss. Imagine reading the fine print again without struggling, or enjoying a sunset in all its vibrant colors. That's what proper nutrition can preserve. Now you might be thinking, aren't sweet potatoes sugary? Won't they spike my blood sugar? It's a great question, and here's the surprising truth. Even though they taste sweet, sweet potatoes have a low glycemic index. This means they release sugar slowly into your bloodstream, giving you steady energy without the dangerous spikes and crashes that strain your pancreas. Studies published in the Journal of Medicinal Food show that sweet potatoes can actually improve insulin sensitivity, helping the body use insulin more effectively. For seniors managing diabetes or prediabetes, this is critical. Adding sweet potatoes to meals can provide essential carbohydrates without the blood sugar roller coaster. But the benefits don't stop there. Sweet potatoes are a true friend to your digestive system. With aging, many seniors experience slower digestion, irregularity, or even chronic constipation. Thanks to their rich dietary fiber content, sweet potatoes help keep everything moving smoothly. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, speeds up waste elimination, and feeds the good bacteria in your gut. A balanced gut microbiome is linked to stronger immunity, better nutrient absorption, and even improved mental health. In a study published in Nutrients, seniors who increased their daily fiber intake significantly reduced their risk of gastrointestinal issues, and improve their overall quality of life. 1 cup of cooked sweet potato delivers about 6 grams of fiber, one delicious step closer to gut health. And let's talk about your heart, the engine that keeps you moving every day. Sweet potatoes are rich in potassium, an essential mineral that helps regulate blood pressure naturally. Potassium eases tension in the blood vessel walls and balances out the harmful effects of excess sodium. One medium sweet potato has more potassium than a banana. That's right, this vibrant root may be your heart's best ally. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that diets high in potassium can reduce stroke risk by up to 24%. Imagine protecting your heart with every sweet, satisfying bite. And while we're on the subject of protection, sweet potatoes are fantastic for strengthening your immune system. Vitamin C, beta-carotene, and manganese create a powerful defense team, boosting your body's ability to fight off infections. This becomes especially crucial as we age, when the immune response naturally declines. Research has shown that seniors with higher intakes of these key nutrients have faster recovery times from illness and fewer hospitalizations. Why not give your body the support it needs to stay resilient year-round? The benefits keep adding up. Sweet potatoes also enhance brain function and memory, something every senior deserves. The anthocyanins, especially found in purple sweet potatoes, have been linked to improved cognitive function. They help increase blood flow to the brain, protect neurons from oxidative damage, and reduce inflammation that leads to memory loss. In a study from Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience, older adults who consume more colorful fruits and vegetables, especially purple varieties, had better memory, learning, and overall brain performance. Eating sweet potatoes is like a daily workout for your brain, nourishing, strengthening, and preserving it for the years ahead. And don't underestimate the power of reducing chronic inflammation. Inflammation is the silent culprit behind so many age-related diseases: arthritis, heart disease, Alzheimer's, even cancer. The powerful antioxidants in sweet potatoes help calm this inflammation at its source. According to studies published in Antioxidants and Redox Signaling, the natural compounds in sweet potatoes decrease inflammatory markers in the blood. This means less joint pain, less swelling, less stiffness, more freedom, more flexibility, more life. More importantly, sweet potatoes aren't just treating symptoms, they're addressing the roots of aging at a cellular level. They help you build a body that is resilient, flexible, and full of energy. Now let's turn our attention to your bones. With every passing year, maintaining bone strength becomes more important. Osteoporosis, fractures, and falls are among the biggest health risks for seniors. But sweet potatoes offer a simple, natural way to shore up your skeletal defenses. They are rich in manganese and magnesium, two essential minerals for bone density and strength. Magnesium helps regulate calcium levels in the bones, while manganese plays a role in building and maintaining healthy cartilage and bone tissue. According to research from the Journal of Bone and Mineral Research, seniors who consume more magnesium had a 30% lower risk of fractures compared to those who didn't. Imagine protecting your mobility, your independence, just by making smart, delicious food choices each day. And let's not forget one of sweet potatoes' most underrated gifts: their ease of preparation and digestion. For seniors who struggle with chewing tougher foods or who have sensitive digestive systems, sweet potatoes are a dream come true. Once cooked, sweet potatoes become wonderfully soft, making them easy to chew and gentle on the stomach. You can mash them, roast them, bake them, or even blend them into soups and smoothies. They are as versatile as they are nourishing. Their natural sweetness also makes them satisfying without needing added sugars or heavy seasonings. This makes it easier to stay on track with a healthy diet, reducing the temptation for processed or sugary foods that can sabotage your health goals. Now, you might be wondering, how much sweet potato should you be eating? Most health experts recommend about half to one medium sweet potato per day as part of a balanced, nutrient-rich diet. It's enough to enjoy the benefits without overloading on calories. But preparation matters too. To get the most out of your sweet potatoes, try baking or steaming them rather than frying. Pair them with a small amount of healthy fat, like olive oil or avocado, to maximize absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A. Adding a sprinkle of cinnamon not only enhances their flavor, but can also further stabilize blood sugar. thanks to cinnamon's natural insulin-enhancing properties. Small adjustments can turn an already powerful food into a true superfood. Beyond the nutrients, there's something deeply comforting about sweet potatoes. Their warmth, their texture, their natural sweetness. They bring a feeling of home, of comfort, of nurturing, the very feelings that seniors deserve in every meal. Food isn't just fuel, it's medicine, it's tradition, it's connection, and sweet potatoes deliver all three, bite by bite. Of course, as with any food, balance is key. If you have kidney disease or need to watch your potassium intake, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider before making sweet potatoes a daily habit. Moderation and smart planning are always part of a good health journey. But for most seniors, sweet potatoes are one of the safest, most nourishing additions you can make to your table. They are a simple natural gift, perfectly designed to meet your body's changing needs. They support your vision, protect your heart, strengthen your bones, energize your mind, soothe your digestion, and defend you from chronic diseases. And they taste absolutely amazing. So if you're looking for one small, delicious change to improve your health, look no further. The answer might just be sitting in the produce aisle right now, waiting for you. The humble, powerful sweet potato. It's a small choice that can lead to massive changes. A small change that can add years to your life, in life to your years. It's never too late to invest in your health. It's never too late to eat better, feel better, and live better. And it's certainly never too late to enjoy the simple pleasures of good, nourishing food. Sweet potatoes aren't just a tasty side dish. They are a complete package of senior-friendly nutrition. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend who could benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more health-boosting tips. Tell us in the comments, how do you enjoy your sweet potatoes? Roasted, mashed, baked, or maybe something creative we haven't heard yet? We'd love to hear your favorite recipes and ideas. Thanks for watching, and remember, even the smallest changes can make the biggest difference. We'll see you in the next video.